What's the meaning of aesthetically? Aesthetically. 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 The term aesthetically refers to the sense of beauty and visual appeal in an object or artwork. It pertains to the appreciation of art and design based on its physical appearance and composition, and how it affects one's emotions and perception. An aesthetically pleasing object or artwork often exhibits a harmonious balance between form, color, texture, and other visual elements, creating a sense of visual satisfaction and admiration. It can inspire positive emotions, such as joy, relaxation, or curiosity, and contribute to a more pleasant and fulfilling experience for the viewer.